Recently, Shea Whitney, one of my favorite lifestyle vloggers, did a video on 12 things that make your house look dated. By the way, I like how she let us know at the beginning of the video that these 12 things are her opinions. I was curious to see how my rented apartment stacked up to some of her choices. I'm not going to cover all 12. You can go to her video to see the whole list and see how your home stacks up. One of the things she mentioned was a boob light. I can't change my ceiling lights, but luckily I have pretty nice ones. She also mentioned visible TV cords. I could mount my TV. My apartment has a mount in the wall. But my solution, instead of mounting a TV, was to buy a bigger one that covers up the mount in the wall. I use my soundbar to hide most of my cords. She mentioned farmhouse signs. I used to have a lot of farmhouse sign items, but when I moved, I donated all of them. My walls right now are pretty bare. Popcorn ceilings? Nope, don't have those. But my apartment is only a few years old. Then she mentioned getting rid of clutter. I tell you, the struggle is real. However, most of my clutter is confined to a ladder shelf like this one or hidden in different types of storage containers. Be sure to check out the rest of Shea's opinions. Have a great day.